Hey, y'all, I want to talk today about food philosophy. What is your food philosophy, your food story? What is your history with food? So I've been thinking about this. We start our 5-day fruits and veg challenge on Saturday. So this past weekend, I just got a big sheet of paper. Look at this. And I just dumped everything in my brain about food. I just started writing all the stuff I could think of about food, diet. So I have our goal at the top of 5 fruits and veggies a day. Now, how about the word diet? When you hear that, what do you think of? Diet is the things you put in your mouth, but a lot of us think of diet as like a weight loss diet. Um, and then willingness to try new things. Oh, yeah, we got to work on that. So, what are your emotions around eating? Does food bring you joy, happiness? Um, I've got some clients right now that are older, and one of them is eating one meal a day. She just doesn't get hungry until the end of the day, and she usually eats a dinner around 5-ish. Cooking for yourself versus for others. Food preferences and tastes. What did you grow up eating? And our tastes change over time. What are your priorities right now? This could change over time. Is healthy even eating even important to you right now? And then what kind of skills do you have? What kind of equipment do you have? And then again, this one is good. Do you view food as fuel? Do you eat because you just have to? Or do you eat because you love to eat? And then food styles changing over the years, right? I love reading these old recipes, like there's a Reddit feed of all these old weird Jello salads and stuff from the 50s. Now avocado toast, kale salad. So what is in fashion right now? Oh, look at this one down here. Food is love. Yep. So we have all these relationships with food and what you ate growing up, what you enjoy eating. Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy sharing meals with people? So this all filters down to make us our own little special snowflake. You are different than me. I'm different than somebody else. So you're going to have all this stuff around your food culture, your relationship to food, your food philosophy, whatever your food story is. So that's some of what we're going to be talking about this month. There's still time to sign up if you want to jump on this. You can email me, ann@fluidportland.com, and I got a link below to sign up for our challenge. Start May 1.